My goodness, the coffee absolutely glistens in this ice at the moment. Hello folks and welcome to today's video. I'm standing inside Benjasiri Park. In today's video I'm going to show you a number of different coffee shops that you should visit when you're in Bangkok. And speaking of coffee, I'm actually drinking an iced Americano from Cafe Amazon. But I'm going to be showing you around these coffee shops in today's video because the aesthetic and the ambience of these coffee places looks amazing. But before we head to our first coffee shop called the Rolling Roasters in Ekamai, I want to tell you a little bit about where Benjasiri Park is located. It's right in the middle of the M Group's shopping mall. So in front of us we've got the M Sphere, which is the brand new mall that opened up about 2 months ago now. We've got the M Courier and the Emporium over there too. It's quite a prime location here, Phrom Phong. It's one of the most desirable places to live here in Bangkok. It's where we're staying close to, just down Sukhumvit 31. We haven't really explored this park called Benjasiri Park, have we? It's quite a small park. It's really tiny in comparison to Benjikiri and Lumpini. I think this is kind of like a tenth of the size of Benjikiri. What's really nice about the new M Sphere Mall is that they built this skywalk just underneath the BTS, which is the Bangkok Transit System, and it connects this M Sphere Mall to the other malls and the BTS, such that you don't actually have to drop to the street level. You walk along this elevated walkway and you've got access to the transit system and the malls. It's pretty nice. And it's quite a beautiful walkway lined with a lot of trees and plants on the side. Mergim? Good morning. Rolling roast, yeah. All right, we're off on the way. We shouldn't have got this. Yeah, I'm almost done with mine anyway. I'm gonna get another coffee from obviously Rolling Roasters.
All day brand.
I've been to a Rolling Roasters before, somewhere located slightly further out from the center of Bangkok, but that was going for more of a vintage theme. This one looks like it's more modern and futuristic. So we'll go up this curved set of staircase through this giant glass door, and look at this. Wow. How are you liking it? Wow, they got it upstairs as well. Yeah, they do. Looks like the high ceilings allow for them to have a mezzanine up here, which you can access via this staircase going up. Is this a rose gold or a bronze? It's like a rose gold, right? What do you reckon? You don't like the contemporary feel of this place? Wow, the sofa. These armchairs are really nice, don't you? Very comfortable. Some of the best armchairs I've sat on in a coffee shop. It's not like your standard kind of like chair. This is really high-end furniture. So what did you order, sir?
Avocado toast.
Oh, they've got stuff to eat here too. All right. I'm going to go downstairs and check out what there is to eat here. Pastries, type of coffee. They really went in with the design of this particular Rolling Roasters. And the curvature of the ceiling up here, the staircases, the seating area makes it really feel quite contemporary. What I'm also surprised to see is that they've got a selection of hard drinks. Is this a bar?
Yes, for about tonight we open at 6 p.m. until midnight.
Oh, so it's a coffee and bar.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
In the morning is
Coffee shop. And then in the evening you switch to a bar. Wow, that's amazing. I don't think they've implemented this sort of concept in the other Rolling Roasters that I've been to. I've only been to 2, including this one. And then they have their logo situated on the floor here where you order, and also there and over there too. Let's see what we have here. We've got signature, hot coffee, iced coffee, refreshing, and then you've got some cakes here. Do you do any food as well? The food is here. I see. Wow, that looks good. How long has this place been open for?
6 months.
Oh, 6 months, half a year. Okay, cool. What am I gonna go with? Wow, you got a lot of food. I'm just gonna get an iced Americano. Extra ice, no water, so coffee on the rocks. They have the house blend and then the dark blend. Okay, one of them is a dark chocolate brown sugar sweetness full body. The other one is an orange lemon tea chocolate nutty. I think I'll go with the dark blend. Is that mine, sir? Thank you. Top okay. There we are. My goodness. The coffee absolutely glistens in this ice at the moment. Can I get extra ice, please? got an egg Benedict, but you don't even like eggs. Sorry, avocado toast. What are you gonna do with the eggs? Are you just gonna let them go to waste?
I mean, I said no egg, but
Oh, they gave you the egg anyway. Fair enough. I ordered an ice Americano. No water.
no water.
This is gonna be sour.
I'm a Brit. I'm a Brit, and I don't like water.
Oh my god. It is really sour. And acidic too.
That's a wrap, eh?
Yeah?
That's a wrap.
Masa wrap, it's very different from what I usually tend to like.
Typically indulgent.
Yeah. But it's okay. It's nice to swap the flavors here and there once in a while. You know, as the ice starts to melt in this ice Americano and the coffee shop gets diluted with the melted ice, the flavor of dark chocolate starts to slowly come out. That bread? What about the bread?
It's like homemade, fresh bread. It's so hot. I've never had an avocado toast like that.
So you approve of the food?
I approve.
We got Justin's approval for the food. Justin doesn't believe me on the name of his next coffee place. Alrighty, my Grab motorbike has arrived, so I'm going downstairs. And we're now gonna head to the next coffee shop called Cum. Spelled C-U-M, yes. It's caused quite a little bit of a stir up here in Bangkok. People talking about it, but it's called Cum Specialty Coffee, and it's located along this road. I think it's Soi 63, a kilometer from Rolling Roasters, next to a condominium called XT Ekamai, which I'm actually going to check out a unit in tomorrow's video because the pricing there and the facilities are amazing. All right, is this it? Hello, Mergim? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. All right, Justin. I'll see you later. I'll see you there. We're here. Okay. Couple. Well, I'm just gonna wait for Justin. He's gonna be here in a couple minutes time. But the coffee shop is located just through here. But before I go through here, there's a brand new condominium towers, 3 of them, which is just behind me, that go up in ascending order. And the design of this particular condominium always blows my mind, especially the way they have these sort of cantilever beams that connect the towers between them. Justin's taking a while, so I'll just proceed inside. You'll never think that this open air lounge courtyard would exist right next to this busy street here. It's only a couple meters away and it's tucked right here beautifully. Look how nice it looks. How old?
9 months.
9 months? Oh my god. It's so small. Oh my god. What type of breed is it?
Michon.
Nichon? I've never seen such a small little dog, and it's 9 months. He won't grow bigger, right? Or she? He or she? She won't grow bigger, right? It's full size? Oh, just a little bit more. Oh my god. Fits in a little backpack like that. Baitiao, mate? Baitiao? So the inside and the outside lounge in which you see is a co-working space that's shared by 3 establishments. There's Cum Specialty Coffee, there's the juice bar which is located in the corner, and there's also this shop here which I've yet to enter to. But let's go find out what it is. It looks like a vinyl shop, to be fair, from the outside, or it could just be a bar. It is a bar. Hello. What is that?
Biscuit cream latte.
Oh, biscuit cream. That's yours. Yeah, biscuit cream latte. Look at the smile on your face. My goodness me. Is that for your girlfriend or for you?
I didn't know that's what it looks like. Damn, that looks very fruity. They don't have a straw. You have a straw?
Oh, there's another fruity one being prepared there. Look at the ice that they use. It's now time for me to order up a drink. And this is their menu here. So they've got their signatures here, non-coffee, something refreshing, the classic coffees, their beans, and their special beans. And Justin went with a biscuit cream latte, which looked amazing at 140 Thai baht. Right, so this place has only been open for a month, and actually the coffee shop here has only been open for a week. So it's really, really new. It's probably, my videos will probably be one of the first that you ever see of this place. Shall I sit next to you, puppy? Actually, I want to sit one along here.
Yeah.
Why'd you look so shocked? Look at your face.
Looks like you got like vodka on the rocks or something.
I know, right? The rocks look absolutely incredible. Look at that.
You know, it's really hard to make clear ice like that too, right?
Yeah, clear ice without crevices or bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it does have some sort of
It's
crevice.
not perfect, but it's
No.
pretty good ice.
You've seen that video about the ice, right?
The documentary?
Yeah. They also served me some sparkling water, which I don't ask for, but it just must be a complimentary thing for the vloggers.
Oh, what? I didn't get that.
Yeah, it's because you're not a
Oh,
vlogger.
you know why they did it? Because you didn't give up water in your cup. I bet you. It's because of both.
This is not so acidic, which is pretty good. I got the dark roast bean, and it's less sour than what I had at the Rolling Roasters. So I'm directly comparing this coffee taste here to what I was tasting over there. And this is way softer and smoother, even though it's a dark roast bean. And I think that's because it's a dark roast bean, actually. What do you think of the ambience here, dude? Great place to work, eh? So you saw earlier on Justin's phone that the download was about 300 megabits and the upload is around about 200 megabits. So for anybody wondering whether they got good internet speed at this co-working space, the internet is great. And remember, this is a co-working space, a coffee bar and a juice bar. But later on at night, around about 7 p.m, this place here, this outdoor area is going to turn into a bar. So it's going to be pretty nice chillaxing out here in the evening on this outdoor lounge here, which looks really comfortable. I think this is also probably going to be included as well.
How do you know it turns into a bar?
Because I spoke to the owner or the people working at the bar, which is just there. Okay, so this next coffee place that we're going to go to is located about 3 kilometers from where we are. The name of the place I won't reveal just yet, but we're getting another Grab motorbike all the way there. My driver should be arriving in about 3 minutes time. If you're enjoying all these locations that I'm taking you around in today's video, I'm going to have a link to all of these coffee places in the description below so that you can check these places out for yourself. This is the XC Ecomi that we're going to check out tomorrow. It's this building right here. That right there is Job Fairs, a night market that runs every day until midnight, where there's a wide selection of Thai food, Thai desserts, delicacies. Really good place if you've never been. This area is called Ramanine, and a lot of people that I've spoken to here in Bangkok seem to live in this area because it's very affordable and they've got modern condos in this area. As you can see, I believe this is where we got to go here, 195. I've never been to the 195 condominium. I think it's brand new. I'm not sure if it's a luxury condo or if it's like somewhere mid-level, but it looks like a high density condo here. And the facilities are similar to what you see in the Philippines, where like the facilities are located on the 5th floor or on the lower level, unlike the other condominiums in Bangkok, which usually have like the pool and facilities located right at the very top. Oh, here it is. Hippie. Okay. Thank you. Wow, he's dropped us off right outside the coffee shop that we want to visit. It's a small boutique coffee shop here, this. I think I've made it here before, Justin. But anyway, let's go on inside. It's called Flow Weather Coffee. Now, the main highlight of this coffee shop and what the coffee shop is named after is this sort of little stream that flows right through the middle of this table with nice ambient lighting it up above. And the source of the water seems to be coming out of this little Zen garden that they have positioned on the left. They also have a second floor, which you can access via the staircase. I don't know if it's off limits or whether they actually have anything up here. Now let's take a look at the menu here. So it's about 7 plates, and they all look pretty reasonably priced. So that was Flow Ever Cafe, a super nice little boutique cafe with its main feature being that little river that flowed through the countertop. I didn't get anything to eat or drink from there because I'm already caffeinated, but there are some decent food options that you can get from there at a relatively low price. But that was 3 coffee shops that I showed you in today's video, scattered around Bangkok. I'm probably planning to shoot a few more videos like this on the channel, but that's all I've got time for in today's video. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.